The other idea that we'll be looking at is converting between degrees and radians. And the directions right here are pretty simple. We're multiplying whatever the degree of our angle is by pi over 180. And if we are converting from radians to degrees, we're multiplying the radian measure by 180 over pi. Notice that these are the same numbers. We're just flipping them. So there's only really one ratio to remember, and we're just flipping it for when we use it. So let's take a look at these examples. If we're converting from 120 degrees to radians, we're going to multiply 120. You can write it as 120 over 1 if it's helpful, by pi over 180. And that just kind of equals 120 pi over 180. We're not going to leave it like this. We can simplify it. We can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 10 to give us 12 pi over 18. And you're probably looking at that and saying, well, I think there's some more we can take out. And both 12 and 18 have a factor of 6. If you divide the 6 into the top and the bottom, you should get 2 times pi over 3. And that is 120 degrees in radians. Over here, we have negative pi over 12. We're going to take negative pi over 12, and we're going to multiply it by 180 over pi. And every time we do this, the pi's are going to cancel out. So let me use a different color here. The pi's cancel out. The negative won't cancel out. That'll stick with us. So when we multiply that, we have negative 180 over 12. And that'll divide nice and evenly and simplify to give you negative 15 degrees.